Kabayan, So, tamang-tama, no? By now, andito ako sa unit mo, the Spinnaker. So, imagine this will be your lobby, balcony. So, ongoing construction na. So, ang maganda dito, once you step outside, itong boardwalk, manipis lang yan. So, hindi lang ka makapasok dahil nakaano tayo. Secured siya. So, paglabas mo, once you step here, this is the beach na kabayan. Ito yung sinasabi kong good news natin. Diba? So, saan ka makakita dito sa Pilipinas? Actually, 3 lang na beachfront condo and all our land ko. And the most special, yung pinakamaganda will be here in Laia. Ito yung Spinnaker mo. Ano diba? Ang design niya is a sailboat. So, ito yung sinasabi kong beachfront experience. So, again, konti na lang. Yan na yun. Dagat na. So, dito yung camper van. Okay? Tapos dagat na siya. And this is the white beach of Laia. So, ito yung experience na, I know, minsan lang na-experience ko to, no? Sa UAE, do sa JBR Beach, wherein yung hotel doon na will cost you like 50,000 a night. Pag step outside mo, ito na beach. So here, hindi ka lang magstay ng nightly. This will be yours. You own that experience, kabayan. This kind of beach lifestyle. So congratulations to you and your family for choosing this one. Alam ko, studio unit, pero alam ko, income generating naman eh. The moment na you enroll it, again, optional siya, you enroll it sa condotel, di ba? Ang maganda dito, di ba? Fully furnished na 'yon, no? So may mga furnitures na, and of course AC, may cooktop, range hood, so kompleto pag in-enroll mo. Okay? Ang maganda doon, good news is only 1 year lang yung kanyang lock-in. So lalo na nasa abroad ka, so magagamit mo yung pag umuwi ka, you have a choice na, 1 year lang muna tapos gamitin ko na. So very flexible yung ino-offer ng land ko ngayon. And of course, kabayan, Spinnaker lang yan. Alam ko pinag-uusapan natin next time yung lote na gagawin yung bed and breakfast. Pero kayang-kaya mo yan. Ayos kabayan, it's really an A, you know? It's an A investment. So na-visualize mo, may helipad